Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the hidden subdomain of any website. Hey guys, so now we'll see the domain and subdomain. What does the domain means and the subdomain? So as you can see on the screen, domain means google.com. In a day-to-day life, you mostly visit the google.com. As you can see, google.com it is on a domain, and the subdomain can be like blog.google.com, file.google.com, accounts.google.com. These are the part of a google.com, as you can say that. So in this video I'm gonna find that with the domain how you can find the subdomain. There's some popular tool in the Kali Linux like the DNSMap finder. With that the tool you can easily find the subdomain of any website. So finding a subdomain, it is not illegal, it is a legal type, because you are usually finding the subdomain that is already present in the publicly. So you are just finding the subdomains. So I'm going to teach you how you can find the subdomains. Now we'll go on the menu section and you can see the information gathering. After information gathering you can see the DNS analysis, and at there you can see the DNS map. Just click on it. So I will zoom out the screen so you can visually you can see the screen what I'm tapping. So as you can see on the screen, it shows some kind of options. First of all, you does not have to see any kind of option or not. For this video, you just simply write DNS map and google.com, then hit enter. Google.com, as you can see, it is a domain, and by entering the google.com I will automatically get the subdomain of that website. So I've hit it enter, and as you can see on the screen I have got the Google subdomain as well as the IPv6 and IPv4 IP address. See, aa.google.com and IPv6 address and aa.com IP address of that domain. So this is the, as you can see on the screen, you can see the admin.google.com. You can see IPv6 and IPv4 address as well. So this is the into this video. So hope you have liked this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.